Okay guys, I finally got the amp that I'm going to use on my Datsun. Here you go. Here's a size comparison. This amp, the only reason I went with this amp is because you don't need to connect it to a head unit. It brings this antenna, little antenna that works with Bluetooth and it connects to your phone. So this way I can keep the stock radio and everything looking real 1977 still. Update, Datsun audio. Got these 4-inch Pioneers. That's the part number. And this is for the front kick panel. 5 1/4. That's the part number. And I ordered the kick panel speaker mount. So that's the next part. Guys, I got the kick panel. I installed the speaker. As you can see, clearance is pretty decent. Probably could have went with a bigger speaker, but I read the specs and I stuck to it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this cover. I would hope so, so it can kind of give it the original look, but I'm not too sure if I'm going to be able to use it on the driver's side, as it sits like this, and I don't know if that's too much of a poke. It's kind of like 1/2 inch, maybe like a close to a full inch, a little over half. But I know that this is gonna be in the back. It clears perfectly, as you can see. But remember, my car is a 5-speed, so I'm gonna obviously be using the clutch. I don't know if my feet is gonna hit. I gotta check the clearance. But as far as the actual kick panel, as you can see, good quality. I think they look great.